I'm going to show you how to post outgoing payments with the Fiori app and the transaction code in SAP S4 HANA system. My name is Nuno Dias and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO Contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just now reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a Glance and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, please subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. In order to post manual outgoing payments in SAP S4 HANA system, we have the transaction code F-53 like we used to have in SAP version ECC6. Now SAP has created a Fiori app which is quite fancy with UI5 technology, which is an exclusive Fiori app of SAP Fiori LAUNCHPAD. Now without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP GUI menu. So basically I'm going to demonstrate how to make a manual posting for vendors. So it's pretty simple. We go to accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, and then we document entry, outgoing payment, and then F-53. It's quite similar with the transaction code of the manual incoming for customers. So I'm going to put the document date. I'm going to copy this. Then by default we have KZ, and then the transaction, and then the company code I need to apply for my company code. Type something in the document there that like YouTube tests or YouTube video, and then here I'm going to insert my bank account, my general ledger bank account, which is this one. The amount that I'm going to be posting going to be 1,000, for example. Value date, we leave it as it is, and then my open item list, my vendor. So this is my vendor, and then I need to press enter. When I press enter, I receive here what are the documents that are open for payments. KG, I know this is document type is a credit memo. KR are invoices. So we have amount entered 1,000. So what can we do here? So we can go directly to this one, 1,000. And then I'm going to assign. So I'm paying this invoice with this amount entered by my vendor. So we go there, we simulate, we see what's going to happen, and then we save, we create. So this is a simple outgoing payment. So the document has been created. We can go here to the document and then we can display the document itself. And then I can find here in the header that we put in the document header YouTube video what we inserted in the previous screen. If I double click, I can see the line items, line item 1. And if I double click here, I see the line item 2. So basically here I have the clearing document because this is not an open item anymore for my vendor. So pretty simple. Now let's switch for the Fiori app. Now we are in the LAUNCHPAD. If you don't know yet how to manage the LAUNCHPAD, how to navigate, there is some links for the videos in the description of this one. If you struggle how to find Fiori apps in the SAP Fiori library, you can find also a link in the description of this one to know how to navigate. So now what we are going to see today is this tile, post outgoing payment. So it's going to be slightly different from the transaction code because in here I have everything in one screen. In the transaction code, I need to go for 2 screens to make everything happen. So I'm going to just to type copy paste for what is mandatory. I'm going to insert here period 12, document header. Let's put the same thing, SAP Fiori YouTube. Okay, I want to have this. I don't need to insert a profit center. And then I'm going to insert the GL account of the payment that I'm going to do. So this is my GL account. The amount is going to be 200. The amount Here I no need to put anything else, and I'm going to put my supplier. So this is my supplier, and I'm going to show items. As you can see, everything in one screen. So I have a balance of 200 that's coming from here, and then these are my open items. So I can select this one, this option, and then I still have 1000 not assigned. And I have a credit memo here, which I can use it, and I have zero balance. So basically, I'm able to make the posting for this vendor. Let's do first a simulation, just to show you what I'm allocating. I'm allocating 1,200 to this invoice, and allocating for this credit memo 1,000. In the end, I have zero balance because I'm using 200 from my bank accounts. So here I'm going to simulate. So we have the simulation done. So here I can go and I can see inside what's going on. I click there and I can see the details of the line item before I make actually the posting. I can see my controlling area, my company codes, and then I can see how much I'm paying is 200. So I'm happy. I'm going to get back and I'm going to make a post. So here we have the document that we have just posted. We can go and we can reverse from here. We can create correspondence from here, or we can create a new, or we can create a new entry. So I hope you have enjoyed this video as me doing for you. Please make a like to us. And let us know which way do you prefer to make the manual posting, either with the transaction codes, either with the Fiori app. For me, I prefer the Fiori app. Now you know how to post manual outgoing payments in SAP S4 HANA using a Fiori app and the transaction codes. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next one in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.